Unboxing English. The sweet layers of cake mix. Hello, lovely learners. Today, we're going to stir up our English skills by exploring a deliciously common phrase, cake mix. Whether you're a fan of baking or just love to savor new vocabulary, this video will help you understand not just the meaning, but also how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. So, let's get mixing. First things first, let's break down the phrase, cake mix, to its most basic ingredients. In the most literal sense, a cake mix is a pre-made mixture containing most of the dry ingredients needed for making a cake. This usually includes flour, sugar, baking powder, and sometimes flavorings or dehydrated eggs. All you need to do is add a few wet ingredients like water, oil, or eggs, follow the instructions, and voila, you have a cake. Now, let's sprinkle in a bit of cultural context. Cake mix is more than just a convenience for busy bakers. It's a staple in many households, especially in the United States. It represents the simplicity and ease of modern cooking. It's also a symbol of the mid-20th century consumerism boom, where convenience products became hugely popular. But wait, there's more. In English, cake mix can also be used metaphorically. If someone says, "You've got all the ingredients of a cake mix for success," they mean you have all the necessary components or qualities needed to be successful. You just need to put them together. It's an idiomatic way to encourage someone or acknowledge their potential. When using the phrase, cake mix, in conversation or writing, it's usually in reference to the product or the process of making a cake. For example, "I bought a chocolate cake mix to save time. Could you grab the cake mix from the pantry?" Remember, as with any idiomatic language, the context is key to understanding whether someone is talking about actual baking or using the phrase metaphorically. And that's the cake mix demystified for you. We hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary and maybe even inspired you to bake a cake of your own. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find that learning English can be as easy as making a cake with a mix. Happy learning, and see you next time for another slice of English Explo.